Are you gonna say hi guys with me?
What do I say?
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Okay. Come on. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest with me. Do you want to introduce yourself?
I'm her mom.
This is my mom.
Yes.
Today we're going to be trying out something a little bit different. This was actually her idea. Today she's going to be recreating one of my makeup looks. She actually chose which one that she wants to do.
I did that.
So do you want to tell them which one you picked?
The purple one with your cut, what you call it?
The purple cut crease
That
is
one.
the one that she chose. I'm really surprised because that's not like the easiest one to do, but hopefully you can pull it off.
We'll see.
We're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna watch the video from beginning to end. Apparently, I'm not allowed to help.
No, she's not.
I'm just supervising, giving her the tools that I use during. Here's one earphone for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this cute purple look. Okay, I'm gonna skip forward.
Okay.
So the first thing I'm going to be doing is moisturizing. I'm going to be using the Believe True Cream.
I've already moisturized.
You have?
I have.
With what?
With Believe.
Oh, you did?
Yes!
Good job.
Thank you. Check.
Today I'll be using the NYX eyeshadow base and the NYX HD Studio finishing powder to set my eyes. Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with that.
So first I have to use the NYX what?
It's an eyeshadow base.
Okay.
So it gives you a nice base so that you can start your artwork,
Okay.
right? Here is the NYX eyeshadow base.
Okay.
And here is the powder that I use to set it.
Wait, so which one are we using first?
This.
Okay, so I'm gonna take this and put it all. Oh, I have my eyeliner.
So my mom has permanent makeup.
Yup.
I told her that I could conceal it for her before the video started, but she's convinced to do everything on her own.
So I'm just gonna put this all over my lid, right? Like
Yeah.
the top part,
Yeah.
not the bottom,
What do you mean?
like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is too much already.
We just started.
I know.
So now you're gonna set it all with this.
Really?
It's not that crazy. But just like hold your breath when you're doing it.
But it's not that crazy.
Like, you were supposed to, okay. When you get powder like this, you dab it, right? And then you go like that.
Okay.
So that the excess comes off.
So what is baking? No, this is not baking. This is setting.
Okay, first step done. Only took like 10 minutes.
Shut up.
Ready? So for today's look, one of the palettes that I'll be using is the BH Ultimate Matte 42 Color Shadow Palette. Right now, I'm gonna start out by using that really bright purple shade right there and go ahead and start to put that in my crease. I'm gonna start out by packing that purple shade a little bit above my crease. Kind of creating a wing with it also. So I have the palette right here. Which color did I say?
This one right here.
Yeah, good job!
Come on, it's not that difficult.
Okay.
You go all the way in by the eye?
I did.
You went all the way up there. Like that?
I mean, kind of.
Pack it. You said pack it.
Yeah.
And bring it up.
Good job! Not bad. It's actually going pretty well.
Thank you.
Oh, let's take that blending brush again.
Mm-hmm.
And remember I said to blend it out. Just to make it look nice and blended and soft.
Ain't nothing looking blended about it. Okay. Is that blended?
Do you think that's blended?
Looks blended to me. Why does your look so big?
Because I added a lot more eyeshadow. Okay, that's a little better. Okay.
And then I'm gonna take this thing and I'm gonna cut.
No.
I mean, blend it.
Yeah. So now I'm going to cut my crease using the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Are you ready to do that?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go. Where is it?
So this is the concealer I use, the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer.
Stop looking at me.
Okay, but try to keep this as clean as possible.
It's clean. It's super clean.
I'm going to set my base using a color from the Warrior by Juvia's palette. I'm going to be using the nude shade Nahosi and just packing that onto my eye.
Got it.
here's the palette.
Okay.
All finished?
All finished.
So now that that is all set, I'm going to be going in with these same shades to create a nice thick wing. To make the shadow a bit more stable as eyeliner, I'm going to be spraying some setting spray onto my brush so that it can really stick on and be really pigmented. This is what it looks like now that I've sprayed my brush with that setting spray. Okay, get it?
Okay.
Okay, we got a little something going on. Are you feeling it?
Yeah.
So we're moving on. We're almost done with the eyes, and then we'll be on to the face.
Okay.
And then the lips, and then we'll be done.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna be here till tomorrow.
Going back into the Warrior palette by Juvia's, I'm going to be picking a shimmer shade and packing that right underneath where I cut the crease. Once again, spraying my brush with my setting spray so that I can get really a lot of shimmer onto my eyelid. Okay, so that's a pretty easy step.
Can you stop staring at me?
Okay, but like I really just want to make sure you get this right. This is stressful.
For you? For who?
For me. Am I like at least doing the eyelashes on you?
No.
Both eyes are now complete. For now, this is all I want to do with my eyelids.
Come on, we're halfway through.
To my eyelashes. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Lash Domination Mascara by Bare Minerals. For now, I'm just applying them to my top lashes, and my bottom lashes will be coated with this later. Okay, so next step is lashes, mascara, and actual falsies.
Okay.
Okay. So my mom likes to put her eyelash glue onto her eyes first.
No, her mom doesn't like putting eyelash glue, period.
But she likes to put it onto her eyes, not the actual lashes. So my mom has one lash on. It looks pretty good.
Thank you.
Okay. Putting the lashes on with the hands again. You can fight.
I gotta say, it does help when you put the mascara on first.
Really?
Yes.
So now that the eyes are pretty much done, I'm going to be moving on to my face. For primer today, I'm going to be using the Kiss Matte Pure Vitamin C Primer. Next, I'm going to be going in with foundation. I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Bare Pro foundation in the shade Sable today.
Okay.
This is your foundation.
Thank you.
My mom has her own Bare Minerals foundation.
You took this thing and you put it in your hands, and you want this. That's a lot of makeup. Can you please stop staring?
Okay. Is this your first time doing like complete, like full glam?
Yes.
Wow.
I don't do this. I just watch your videos.
Aww, she's my #1 fan.
I am.
For concealer, I'm going to be using the same concealer that I used to cut my crease, and that is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Wow! Look at you! That actually looks like kind of like
Professional?
like good job. I think you might have put like a little too much on your nose.
That's it?
No, like that part.
I think so.
Okay. I'm going to be going in with a powder contour. I'll be using the Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. So using the darker shade, I'm hollowing in my cheekbones. Not going in too far into the face, but keeping it concentrated towards my hairline. I'm also contouring my forehead. And I bring a little bit down to the jawline.
It looks better than I thought it was going to look.
So now that
You know what?
What? I've not said a thing. I've not said a thing. Now moving on to blush, I will be using the NYX Ombre Blush in the shade Codebreaker. This blush
And
has
up.
an ombre. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you're done?
Is there something else I need to do?
No.
I have short-term memory loss.
So the last step for my face is highlighter, and I think I'm actually going to get a little creative with this. So today I'm going to go ahead and use the Warrior by Juvia's and use that same shade that I used on my eyelid for my highlight. That is going to be the shade Moreni.
Oh,
I hope
okay.
I'm pronouncing that right, and that's right here. Okay, so here's a highlighting brush. I don't think you're very big on highlighter, like.
Because what am I going to highlight? My big cheeks? My long chin? My flat nose?
Okay, you don't have to go off on yourself like that. So
What, Shadi?
nothing. You just put a lot of highlighter on your nose.
But we can always blend it, right? Oh, my eyelashes. My eyelashes okay? You're doing too much. Like, I thought we were done and go on a lipstick.
So using a dark pink nude colored lip liner, I'm going to start lining my lips.
Okay, let's do this.
Oh my gosh, look how much makeup you got on this.
I know you're not talking.
This is gonna be our very last step, and this is the Yensa lip oil.
It looks better than I thought it was going to.
Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna get some close-ups of you.
Great.
Did you enjoy doing this?
I did enjoy doing it. It was nice to actually have you to walk me through it. But I guess people can always pause and go, so that's still good.
Okay, well thank you so much for being in my video. My mom is my first guest on my channel.
You're gonna have more guests on your channel?
I mean, yeah, probably.
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to
like and subscribe, and
that's it.
Oh, okay.
Good job. And I will see you in the next video.
Bye.